In this video, we are going to be analysing AVCT. So to get straight into it, firstly, we're going to be looking at the levels on a shorter term time frame. So if you're looking to day trade this or just trade it really this week, these are the levels that we're paying attention to. On the resistance side, we have a resistance at 29.30 cents. If we are able to break that, then we are looking at 36.37 cents. And again, if we can break that one more time, we would have final levels at 43.45 cents. Obviously, because these levels are basically a cent or two difference, just use those as zones and not just exact levels. And then onto the support side, if we start setting off on AVCT, what are going to be key supports? We're going to be looking at 16 cents, 14 cents, 9 cents, 6 cents, and 2 cents. Now, obviously, on the support side, it's going to be a bit trickier to trade, just considering these levels, because, you know, the stock's going to be sitting at 16 cents at our closest support levels. You know, it's only going to be a cent or two to that next level, so it's really going to be hard to trade, and it's just going to have to be one of those things. If you're looking to buy a VCT, really, if you can get it at $16, 16 cents or below, then it's probably a better area to be buying it at. But again, you need to do your fundamentals to see if it's even a stock worth buying. Now, onto the other side, if we're looking at longer term levels, and if you're looking at, you know, a month or more out time horizon, what are going to be key resistances? And then we'll be paying attention to 40 cents, 58 cents, 92 cents. And then pushing out further would take us to around 41.44 cents. And then final levels at $1.95, $2.25, and $3.10. Now, what would be support levels if we were focusing on the longer term time frame? And we can see actually all our deviations have turned negative. So if we're looking for support levels, we can do it either one of two ways. Firstly, we could just be looking at the 52-week low, so that's at 13 cents. So if you understand the fundamentals of this company, you are long bias on it, you want to be buying stock, then really buying it at 52-week low or below is probably a good idea. Obviously, be looking at the 10 cents key psychological level. You'll probably see a bounce on that level. But the other way to do it is just go back to the shorter term levels and just pay attention to those support levels. And that would be 9 cents, 16 cents, 14 cents. And really 6 cents. But again, the problem with looking at it like this is on the downside, there literally is only a 1 or 2 cent difference between these levels, just because there isn't really nowhere else it can go. I mean, the stock's going to be worth 16 cents on the high end. So if you're looking to buy it really at 16 cents or below, just buy it. If you understand the fundamentals, then really getting it at 16 cents, 14 cents, you're not really going to know how far it's going to fall. It's just, if you want to buy it, you're just going to have to buy it when you see it as a good fit on the downside. Obviously, the targets to the upside work a bit better because they are further apart. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.